Nickel Plate Road number 765 is a 284 Berkshire type steam locomotive built for the Nickel Plate Road in 1944 by the Lima Locomotive Works in Lima, Ohio. Classified as a S2 class Berkshire, the locomotive operated fast, heavy freight and passenger trains until retirement in 1958.
Hear that sound? I'm here in the Cuyahoga Valley National Park in Peninsula, Ohio, and about to see an amazing steam engine. Well, that was it. There was no place to park, but still a pretty cool sight coming through the Cuyahoga Valley National Park. Hope you enjoyed it. Always sending something new and different to this channel. So check it out, subscribe, give it a like, give me a comment, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.